Now this is chapter number 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure. अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्या डिस्कस किया? Here we can say that on the basis of presence of atom in different group, here we can say that dots are there, and on the basis of this dot we can explain bond formation. So now we will discuss here octet rule. What is octet rule? So to satisfy valency of any atom, it will try to either maintain doublet or we can say that octet. The doublet will come in case of hydrogen and helium, and after hydrogen and helium in other element we can find out octet condition is there. Clear? So now what is octet rule? तो देखो ये statement आपको यहाँ पे याद रखना है. You have to remember statement. तो क्या दिया हुआ है? See, the Cauchy and Lewis in 1916 develop an important theory of chemical combination, ठीक है, between atoms known as electronic theory of chemical bonding. So this is nothing but it is, we can say that, known as electronic theory. Here again I am repeating. So Cauchy and Lewis in 1916 develop an important theory of chemical combination between atoms, which is nothing but it is known as electronic theory of chemical bonding. Clear? Now atoms can combine. What is electronic theory? Here atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electron from one atom to another or by sharing. यहाँ पे transfer and sharing is one of the most important phenomenon. Sharing of valence electron in order to have an octet in their valence shell. Clear? So this is nothing but it is normally known as octet rule. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? So what is, we can say that octet rule. In case of octet rule, here one thing is very common or two phenomena are very important. One is transfer and second one is sharing. The atom can combine. This statement है octet rule का. Atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electron from one atom to another or by sharing of valence electron in order to have an octet. Clear? This is, we can say that, octet in their valence shell. So this is nothing but it is normally known as octet rule. अब चलो, तो now we will discuss here means first bond. It is normally known as covalent bond. The covalent bond is always present in case of any element, or we can say that covalent bond is always related with respect to non-metal. Clear? चलो, Langmuir in 1990 refined the Lewis postulates. जो लुईस ने दिया था ना, तो Langmuir refined the Lewis postulation by abandoning the idea of the stationary cubical arrangement of the octet and by introducing the term covalent bond. उसने लुईस वाले postulates को थोड़ा सा modify किया और जो bond बना उसको क्या बोला? Covalent bond. Now here the Lewis-Langmuir theory. Here the Lewis-Langmuir theory can be understood by considering the formation of the chlorine molecule. है ना? Here we can say that chlorine molecule. In case of chlorine, Z is equal to 17. So whenever we are writing electronic configuration, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5 will come in case of chlorine. In case of chlorine, in valence shell, how many electrons are there? So see, here 3s2, 3p5, so 7 electrons are there. That's why we are putting only 7 dot. अब जब bond बनेगा, ये situation आती है. मतलब इस क्लोरीन में भी है, इस क्लोरीन में भी है. So this bond is nothing but it is normally known as covalent bond. This bond is nothing but it is normally known as covalent bond. Now, in the process, both Cl atom attain the outer shell octet. मतलब whenever bond formation will be there, then here octet rule should be completed. In the process, both Cl atom attain the outer shell octet of the nearest noble gas, that is argon. देखो अभी ग्रुप 1 की यदि मैं बात करूं, उसमें कौन सा इनर्ट गैस है? हीलियम. ग्रुप 2 की बात करूं तो हियर वी कैन से दैट कौन सा आ जाएगा, हियर नियोन। एंड ग्रुप 3 की बात, हम लोग यदि पीरियड 3 की बात करें तो उसके अंदर आर्गन विल कम। क्लियर, समझ में आया कि नहीं? तो दिस इज वी कैन से दैट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बिटवीन इन केस ऑफ क्लोरीन एटम, है ना। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, हियर व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ डॉट? तो दिस डॉट रिप्रेजेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। Such structure are referred to Lewis dot structure. ये जो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर बनाया तो this structure will be given by Lewis. Therefore, it is normally known as Lewis dot structure. And see how many dots are there. So that dot is related with respect to valence electron, which is present in valence shell. That dots are related with respect to valence electron, which is present in valence shell. Now, the Lewis dot structures can be written for other molecule also. Clear हुआ? In which the combining atom may be identical or different. मतलब Lewis dot structure is again applicable either in case of identical or different one. The important conditions are, but see, whenever we are writing here structure, Lewis dot structure, then here some important conditions are. The conditions में कैसा हो जाएगा? Here we can say that this is important condition. तो condition number 1 में क्या दिया हुआ है? See, each bond, see this is we can say that condition number 1. Each bond is formed as a result of sharing of an electron pair between the atom. जैसे यहाँ Cl में है तो 1 electron आया, here this one bond will be there. Clear? Now second condition, here second condition, each combining atom contribute at least 1 electron, and minimum 1 electron should be contributed by each atom whenever we can say that bond formation will take place. Each combining atom contribute at least 1 electron to the shared pair. And then after third one, the combining atom attain the outer shell noble gas configuration as a result of sharing of electrons. Clear हुआ? Here whenever combination will take place, then how much total number of electrons are there? So total number of electrons are always related with respect to octet, and it is nearest one with respect to group 18. Now, thus in water, ये देखो, thus in water and CCl4 molecule, formation of covalent bond can be represented as this one. चलो ऑक्सीजन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है? 1s2 2s2 2p4, है ना? 1s2 2s2 2p4. तब देख यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ रहे हैं, तो मैंने ब्लू रखा है, ब्लू कलर। ऐसे हाइड्रोजन का 1 है, तो whenever hydrogen will donate 1 electron to oxygen and oxygen will donate 1 electron to hydrogen, here means one single bond will form. Same condition will come here also. So see, in case of hydrogen 2 electron and in case of oxygen 8 electron. Therefore, hydrogen is related with duplet while oxygen is related with respect to octet. Oxygen is related with respect to octet while hydrogen is related with respect to duplet. Now same condition in carbon. In case of carbon 1s2 2s2, then after 2p2. So here in case of carbon 4 valence electrons are, which is represented with the help of red color. And chlorine में क्या आता है? 7 electrons are there. So whenever sharing of pair of electron will be there, here 8 electron will come. Per chlorine 7 black and 1 red, 8 हो जाएगा. And per carbon 4 red and 4 black, 8 हो जाएगा. मतलब in CCl4, carbon and chloride both will try to complete its octet. Carbon and chloride both will try to complete its octet. So thus we can say that whenever two atoms share 1 electron pair, they are said to be joined by single bond, है ना? Whenever two atoms will share 1 electron, the single bond is there. While so many examples are there where we can say that in many compounds, देखो, in many compounds we have multiple bond between the atom. Multiple मतलब double भी आएगा, triple भी आएगा. So this is complete information, or we can say that octet rule, and then after covalent bond formation. Clear? आपको इसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अच्छी तरह से आना चाहिए, ठीक है। नाउ अभी तक मैंने क्या बताया था, हियर वी कैन से दैट सिंगल बॉन्ड एंड देन आफ्टर वी कैन से दैट मल्टीपल बॉन्ड्स आर देयर. Whenever between two atoms, here one electron is contributed, here single line will come. But whenever between two atoms more than one electrons are contributed, then here will double and triple line will come. चलो ये दिया है. This is the formation of multiple bond, है ना, and we say sharing of more than one electron pair between two atoms. मतलब see, between two atoms, here more than one electrons are shared, then number of bond order will be, again we can say that 2, 3, 4, whatever. Clear? If two atoms share two pair of electron, the covalent bond between them is known as double bond. For example, CO2 molecule. See, this is CO2 molecule. We have two double bond between C and O. देखो कार्बन का चार्ज ब्लैक है, ऑक्सीजन का ग्रीन है. Whenever sharing of pair of electron will start, then between carbon and oxygen, here we can see the double bond will be there. Similarly, here in ethene molecule, the two carbon atom joined by double bond. देखो कार्बन है ना, 4 blue dot of carbon, here 4 blue dot of carbon. हाइड्रोजन का ब्लैक है, तो whenever sharing will start, the 8 electron is completed in case of each carbon. And here we can see the double bond will be there. Similarly, nitrogen triple bond, and this one is again we can see the ethyne. In case of ethyne, between two carbon triple bonds are there. It means see, on the basis of sharing of pair of electron between either two same or different atom, here number of bond order will be given. Clear? देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, this is double bond, this is also double bond. This one is triple bond and this one is also triple bond is there. Clear? तो देखो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, तो here double bond, here again we can say that double bond, and here we can say that triple bond and triple bond is there. मतलब whenever sharing of pair of electron will take place between either two same or different type of atom, then here means double bond, triple bond is possible. But here things should be very clear. Here we can say that octet should be complete here. Exception में कौन आएगा, हाइड्रोजन as well as हीलियम. तो चलो ये octet वाला खत्म हुआ. Now we will discuss here Lewis structure. Next topic is Lewis structure. तो Lewis dot structure provide a picture of bonding in molecule and ions, है ना? Ions in terms of shared pair of electron and octet rule. So this is advantage. Lewis dot structure provide a picture of bonding in molecule and ions in terms of shared pair of electron and octet rule is given. Clear? Now, while such a picture may not explain the bonding and behavior of molecule completely, it does help in understanding the formation and property of molecule to large extent. मतलब जो पहला वाला है, दिस इज एडवांटेज, ये जो है ना, ये स्टेटमेंट, तो दिस इज एडवांटेज ऑफ लुईस थियरी. और जो दूसरा वाला है, दिस वन, तो दिस वन इज डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ लुईस थियरी. तो कई बार हम लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, स्पेसिफाई एडवांटेज एज वेल एज डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ लुईस थियरी. तो आपको याद रखने का एक एक नंबर में. क्लियर? You have to remember here means advantage. So what is advantage? So with the help of Lewis dot structure, provide a picture of bonding in molecule and ions in terms of shared pair of electron and octet rule. So ion मतलब it is further divided into two parts, cation as well as anion. So cation means positive charge and anion means negative charge is there. Clear? Now, so writing a Lewis dot structure, suppose if you are interested to find out here means Lewis dot structure, then in that condition, here we have to follow following rule. Writing of Lewis dot structure of molecule is therefore very useful, and here we have to follow these steps. So steps 1, clear? चलो step 1. तो step 1 में आपका क्या आता है? Here in case of step 1, here means see whenever we are writing here a structure, then we have to follow some rule, and these rules are, so 5 different type of rules are given. Here we can say that 5 different type of, we can say that rules are given. तो rule 1 में क्या आ जाएगा? See here total number of electron required for writing the structure are obtained by adding the valence electron of the combining atom. जैसे चलो पहला रूल यदि मैं बताऊं तो रूल 1 में आपको क्या करना है, जैसे CH4 है तो कार्बन 4H, तो कार्बन का वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 4, हाइड्रोजन का वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1, तो टोटल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर. But in case of methane, 8 valence electrons are there, and out of this 8 valence electron, 4 electrons are related with carbon and 1 electron per hydrogen. But here 4 hydrogen will be there, so 4 electrons are related with hydrogen. In this way, total number of electrons are 8. Clear हुआ? चलो, here we will discuss rule 2. In case of rule 2, तो rule 2 is related with respect to charge. तो देखो anion मतलब नेगेटिव, एंड सी फॉर ईच anion नेगेटिव चार्ज वुड मीन एडिशन. नेगेटिव चार्ज मीन एडिशन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, एंड फॉर cation ईच पॉजिटिव चार्ज would result in subtraction of 1 electron from total number of valence electron. चलो जैसे एग्जाम्पल here we can say that CO3-2, ये है ना स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम मैंने बताया C3O. अब देखो यहाँ पे 2 है तो दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी एडेड. कार्बन में 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना, एंड सी हियर कार्बन का जो एटॉमिक नंबर है दिस इज, वी कैन से दैट दिस इज इन केस ऑफ कार्बन 6. तो यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँ कि 6 है, और ऑक्सीजन का 8 एटॉमिक नंबर, तो हियर 6 एंड 3 into 8 24 plus 2, यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 32 इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी देयर इन केस ऑफ कार्बोनेट आयन. सिमिलरली दिस इज NH4 plus 1 and 4H. अब देखो ये प्लस में है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का, नाइट्रोजन 7, हाइड्रोजन 1, 7 4, तो 11 minus 1, तो 10 electrons are there. It means see in case of ionic condition, ion मतलब cation as well as anion. So whenever cation will come, then whatever charge is there, it will be subtracted. And in case of anion, whatever charge will be there, it will be, we can say that, added here. Clear? ये दिया हुआ है. Now third one, knowing the chemical symbol. Now if with the help of rule 1 and 2, knowing the chemical symbol of combining atom and having knowledge of skeletal structure of the compound, it is easy to distribute. It is easy to distribute total number of electron as bonding pair between atom in proportion to the total bond. जैसे भी चलो मीथेन है तो मीथेन में क्या बोला मैंने, रूल नंबर 3 देखो. इन केस ऑफ मीथेन हियर, जैसे अभी ये आपका मीथेन है तो हियर 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज रिलेटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू कार्बन and 4 electron is related with respect to hydrogen. So whenever bond will be formed here, so this type of bond will form. After formation of bond, here single line will come between carbon and hydrogen. Single line will come between, we can say that, carbon and hydrogen. Clear? तब कैसे total number of electrons are 8 and it will be distributed in such a way that between 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen, here single bond will come. Clear? चलो अब है ना रूल 4 आता है. रूल 4, तो रूल 4 में क्या दिया है, सी जैसे ये आपका NF3 है ना, whenever any molecule is given, then how we can find out which one is central atom. The central atom can be determined on the basis of comparison with respect to, here we can say that, fluoride. If your atom is close to fluoride ion, the electronegativity will be maximum. Close to fluoride ion, here we can say that electronegativity will be maximum. देखो अब यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन एंड फ्लोरीन, तो नाइट्रोजन फ्लोरीन, तो फ्लोरीन इज हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव while nitrogen is electropositive. So therefore whenever we are forming structure, Lewis dot structure of NF3, then N will be central atom and F will be again surrounded at corner. N will be central atom and F will be again surrounded at corner. Similarly देखो ये CO3-2, चल यहाँ पे कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन है, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज C, electronegativity of carbon, oxygen, electronegativity of oxygen will be more and electronegativity of carbon will be less. So therefore whenever we are plotting or whenever we are drawing Lewis dot structure of carbonate ion, then carbon will be in center and oxygen will be again we can say that terminal position. Clear? Carbon will be again we can say in center and then after we can say that here oxygen will be present at terminal position. So this is rule 4. मतलब in any molecule how we can identify that which atom is situated at center and which atom is situated at corner. Clear? So this is complete information of rule 4. And then after C, rule 5 will be there. In case of rule 5, here in case of rule 5, after bond formation, here whatever electron will be there, so these electrons are further divided into two parts. One we can say that bonding electron and second one we can say that non-bonding electron. One we can say that bonding and second one is non-bonding electron, and another name of non-bonding is, this is we can say that lone pair. चलो अभी जैसे मैंने ये वाटर का लिया, दिस इज ऑक्सीजन, ये आया, हियर हाइड्रोजन, चलो ये ओवरलैप किया and then after this type of bond will form here. Clear? Single bond. So these electrons are known as bonding electron. So these electrons are known as bonding electron, while this will not participate in bond formation. So this one is normally known as non-bonding electron. This one is nothing but it is normally known as non-bonding electron. In this way, here means 5 different type of rule will be given. Rule number 1, 2, 3, and then after rule 4 related with respect to position of central atom, and rule 5 will represent here type of electron. Type of electron means bonding as well as we can say that non-bonding. Clear? Same condition will come in case of ammonia also. See, this is nitrogen, hydrogen. ये जो है, so this will be again we can say that lone pair, or we can say that non-bonding electron. Clear? But see, जो भी whatever electrons are again form we can say that bond, it is normally known as bonding electron. The other electrons are bonding, while this one is again we can say lone pair or non-bonding electron. अभी हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में सब सिखाऊंगा, बट आपको याद रखने का, सी दिस इज ग्रुप, दिस वन इज ग्रुप, तो दिस इज ग्रुप 15, 16 and 17. So here we can say that lone pair, in case of group 15 1 lone pair, 16 में 2 lone pair and 17 में 3 lone pairs are there. मतलब सी नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस, आर्सेनियम, ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, सेलेनियम, क्लोराइड, ब्रोमाइड. तो आप जैसे हर ग्रुप में है ना, ग्रुप 15, 16, 17 में, तो नंबर ऑफ लॉन पेयर इज 1, 2 and 3 सक्सेसफुली. क्लियर? तो दिस इज कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन of Lewis structure, and then after important steps.